We'll guide you through how to make money with Printify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. Click on the catalog tab at the top to explore a wide variety of products you can customize and sell, such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Choose a product to start with and click Start Designing. You'll be taken to the design interface where you can upload your custom designs or create new ones using the built-in tools. Make sure your design fits well within the printable area for the best results. Once your design is ready, click Save Product. Now go to the My Store tab and connect your Printify account to your own online store. You can integrate with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce, which makes it easier to manage sales and orders. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the integration. After setting up the store connection, click on Publish to list your newly designed product on your store. Be sure to set competitive pricing that covers production costs and allows you to earn a profit. Promotion is key, so consider using social media and digital marketing strategies to attract customers to your store. You can also offer discounts or special promotions to entice buyers. Regularly check your dashboard for order updates and make sure you keep an eye on customer feedback to improve your offerings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.